In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello board in just 5 minutes. For those of you who are new to Trello, it's a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects, making it easier to manage both personal and professional tasks. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Trello's official website at trello.com. Once you're there, you'll see the Trello homepage inviting you to capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. If you don't have an account, you can sign up by following the simple instructions on the homepage. Otherwise, if you already have an account, let's get to logging in. To log in, locate the login button on the homepage and give it a click to proceed. You may be prompted to enter your Atlassian account credentials here. For those unfamiliar, Atlassian is the parent company that owns Trello. Enter your email and password and hit login. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to recover it, so don't worry. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the Boards tab. It's often found in the navigation menu at the top of the page. Clicking on it will take you to a new page showing all of your existing boards. If you're just starting, this area might look a bit empty, but that's about to change. Now let's find the Create button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the Boards page. Go ahead and click on Create. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From these, select Create Board. This is your gateway to setting up a shiny new board tailored to your needs. When the Create Board window pops up, you'll be asked to enter a name for your board. Choose something that's meaningful to you and relevant to the tasks you'll be organizing. This could be anything from Project X to grocery shopping. Once you've named your board, you can also choose a background color or image to match your style and preference. This personal touch makes your board not only functional but also visually appealing. After you've customized the settings to your liking, it's time to finalize the creation of your board by clicking the Create Board button. This action will transport you to your newly minted Trello board, ready for you to start adding lists and cards. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Trello board. From here you can add lists to categorize your tasks, create cards to represent individual tasks, and even invite team members to collaborate. That's all it takes. You now hold a powerful tool to keep your projects and tasks organized in one convenient space. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Trello.